Let's continue here. Let's compute for others here under net salary. So after finishing that, under sheet 1, so here we can even rename this sheet. You move your pointer, you right click using the left button of the mouse or the touchpad, go where you see the word rename as original work, original work. Then you can make some formatting or editing. First of all, let's use what we call wrap text. If you are using a touchpad or a mouse, you move your pointer, you reach where you see the first column, you press the left button, you hold the button, you move towards the title headings. After that, you go to home button, you go where you see the word wrap text. So after wrapping text, it doesn't mean that you have finished wrapping text or letting these additional letters. Let's say we have the teaching star or the teaching subject. This subject has to go down the other word teaching. So what you do to make it better, you go where these columns intersects, you decrease the size of the column so that these last words can go down the other, and then you minimize or you increase the size of the row. So you keep on adjusting the columns and the rows till when your expectation comes out. Then after finishing the first column, you go on adjusting other columns. That is done. Let's go to teaching subject. You also do the same. Let's go to basic salary. Also do the same. You keep on adjusting. So it doesn't need any kind of adjusting. Then let's go to this column which has two words. That is gross salary. Let's continue with net salary here. So that is done. Then we can do format with a mahogany color, which is so-called highlight color. You go to home, you go to font dialog box here, you go where I see fill color, you choose a color that is better for you. Let's choose blue green here. Then you can even choose the font color, which is here under the font dialog box. You go to font color here, choose the color that can easily be seen under the first highlight color. So that is, you have done with wrap text, highlight color and font color. Then you can go on and make some other formatting. That is, you can use font style, which is so-called font face. You first highlight, then with the touchpad or a mouse, first left click on the first column and a row, then you hold a button, you move like this up to when you finish the whole data. After that, you continue with home button here. You go see the word calibri, then you choose your best font style or font face. Let's use here. Let's use as we check out here down. Let's use Bookman. Okay, I'm looking for what can make it better. Let's use Comic Sans. It's not good here. let's type in here times New Roman. Times New Roman. I think it can be better here. 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 It has removed my wrap text. Let's use another font style here. Go back to home. Choose the best. Let me use this one. It has not come out well. So we keep on checking if what should be the best. What should be the best here? What should be the best here? Okay. Let me leave normal. Leave it normal. Let me leave it normal now. So let's continue. Some adjustments here. Increasing the size of the columns here. So after that, you can continue. We are done with the font color, fonts, highlight color, wrap text, font style. So after that, you can even insert the header. You go to insert, you go to header, you go to header here. As you can see, click to add the header. So let me use my name here. Let me use my name here. As you can see, so as if the sheet has divided itself. So to go back to normal, you first click aside here, you go to view, you go to normal, then you click on normal, then it will normalize. So again, you have seen a line crossing other column. That means during the printout, as you can see here, as other columns want to be seen on a hard copy after printing. So what we normally do, you go to page layout, you go to orientation, then you go to landscape. So that these columns can fit on one sheet or on one page during printing, as you can see here. It has come out. It has come out. Then you can even add the head, the footer, as you can follow the same procedures of inserting the header. You go to insert button, go to header, then you go down, you go to design, then you press on footer. Go to footer. Then footer, provide the date of today, that is 18th February 2026. Then still, first click aside, go to view, so after that you go to view, you press on normal, go back and see the print preview here by pressing Ctrl P, then the header has been removed. Then you go back to header, insert the header here, my names, still go back to view,